Welcome, my people. Me there. Big up and respect to each and every one. My people, I have videos I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. I cook me there, I cook and I say, you know what? Let's go watch some videos with you, my viewers and subscribers. So, the first video that I'm going to present to you had been recorded in Jamaica. And in this video, you can hear a person saying some words that can be considered as harsh words or disrespectful. The thing about it though, viewers and subscribers, I'm wondering who the person did I talk to. You see me? So I present the video to you, make you look and listen to the video for yourself. You can also let me know what you think. Now please bear in mind that in this video you can hear some words that can be considered as harsh words. So viewer discretion is advised for this video. Alright? Oh, and the video shows a police officer as well. Observe for yourself, my people. Tell me what you think, my people. So you hear those words, my people. You see me I say, them words are considered as harsh language. The thing about it though, you know, I have another video I'm going to present to you. This video is going to show a police officer as well, you see me? Now, hear the thing about with this video now, see? Because I want to say this to each and every police officers worldwide. You see me? This video will be recorded in Jamaica, but I want to say this to every police officers worldwide. Now, in my point of view, police officers should not use their body to block a driver from operating a motor vehicle. If you request the driver to stop the motor vehicle and the driver not stop, I think it's best you call for backup and find a different way to get the driver to stop. You see me? Me not believe that a police officer should put his body in the way of a motor vehicle that is turned on and a driver inside of the motor vehicle. You may never know what a person I think. I mean, I think about the safety and the protection of the police officer or police officers. May I think about the safety of everybody, because I would not encourage anyone to do something like that. So this video I'm going to present to you is going to show a police officer standing in front of a motor vehicle while someone is inside of the motor vehicle. I'm going to tell you what I think about the situation, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Eso me anda. Eso me anda, my people. The law enforcer stand up in front of the motor vehicle. No. What if that person not think straight? What if that person not think some crazy ways? I don't believe it is safe for nobody, whether you're a police officer or not, to stand in front of a motor vehicle that is turned on and someone sitting inside of the motor vehicle. I don't believe so. But here's the next thing now, people. I have another video I'm going to present to you. Now, in my point of view, this video shows a bad situation between two persons. You see me? Yeah, this video shows one person who, in my point of view, was showing a certain emotion to the point where a type of fluid was coming from the person's face. And that person, in my point of view, somewhat chased another person. See? And it seems as if that person was angry at the person. In my point of view, this video shows some things that happened during a situation where I think some type of relationship gone bad. Or maybe there was some type of miscommunication between those two persons. There's some answer, my people. Really set away. See, so some people might call this a type of dispute. Some people might call it this dispute or that dispute. You know, in my point of view, I call this a dispute out in the public or a public dispute if it's up to me. So I say, but you can tell me what you think, and when you look and listen to this video and tell me what you think, you see. Please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. And big up and respect to my viewers and subscribers within Guyana, and my viewers and subscribers within Trinidad and Tobago, and also Belize. Alright, here's the video. Look, listen and observe for yourself, my people. So not about.
Don't touch me. Yes, don't touch me. Where I'm going. You see, where I'm going, I say, you know, that's shop it is. Yeah, you call it there. Where I'm going.
Yeah, person.
Where?
Watch out. Run.
Yes, just run me now. Meet me. Face stupidity, look. Look who we end up, yeah.
Just no! You're gonna get killed!
This mother something that word thing. You see me I say?
Yes, man, I don't want to.
Where it come from, really and truly? You know what I mean? That coming like the Jamaican BBC word. Where that come from? Who come up with these?
Yeah, I run it. I don't care what I run it. Yes, I run it. I will always be the mouse. You wanna give me kiss? Yes. I run it.
Yeah, run for
Because I don't want to damage shit out of me. Is she doing all the damages? Watch it.
Wow, but they run for trouble. Yes, I mean, I say, now put yourself in trouble. The best thing you can do is run.
Run up on the pavement because you can't take a little talkie there. I'm not going through that with you, boy. Watch it. Number plate. Now watch it, yes. I damage you.
No! I shot him! What?
Don't hit me, no. Just don't hit me.
I shot him! What?
Don't hit me. Don't hit me.
That was someone!
Yes, don't hit me.
That was someone!
Don't hit me.
You think that's what you do me? I shot him, boy, you got dead, boy! You got dead, boy!
I better somebody call you coward and you run from trouble than put yourself in trouble.
Don't hit me. Don't hit me.
Hey! I shot him, good boy!
I've got to don't hit me.
Hey!
You see I running from here?
Let me tell you, my face is open up!
Yeah, I cuff you in your face. I beat you.
Run! Where you going? This is not problem.
Because I never lost you.
Yes, yes,
I
yes,
never lost you.
I never lost you,
You
you know?
can't do me. I shot the body of your kid, but I'm telling you.
The best thing you can do is to avoid trouble, right? You know, I respect any man who don't hit woman. Self-defense is a different thing, and we don't know certain circumstances.
Yeah. Joke! You beat me up! Joke! Last man get laugh. You were dead enough, well, come on!
So I read and truly I want it. You know the man,
Fix the motion right now, yeah. Watch it. She got all of us got bad for me. I never do shit that thing. Watch it. Big soul, I should carry Valentine. Watch it. Anybody do me anything, you should carry Valentine. Watch it, Van PDL 7121. That's the van there. Following gangster man for me, and I never do shit up. Now she police there amongst the van. I don't have time. What about I hate she? I don't have time for that.
Running from trouble is one thing.
She could call it Pope.
See? You know,
Hold on.
as a person of the military,
Yeah, what's she?
and I'm gonna tell you something, you don't treat me something like this. You don't treat me very bad.
Yeah, that's what she said. I mean, she bad. Yeah, I mean, she very bad.
Yeah, avoiding trouble are one thing. But if you
want to make a
can,
report of it, yeah.
if you can, you stay away from the trouble itself.
But the forest lights, yeah, she making a report on she foot. Like I do she something. Yeah, I do she something now, way. Yeah, all of a sudden I like that telling the police on them.
I have all the domestic. Right?
Mm-hmm. What you want? Yeah, what you want? Yeah, let them come by the lights.
No problem.
Mm-hmm. Divan. Run up on the pavement. Police said I bounce the van. What's it? Yeah? What you know, my flick? PDL 7121. What's it? On the pavement.
Right here.
Yeah.
His name is Andy Kachi.
Okay then.
And he works in La Fuerza.
Tell about my guys.
He don't beat me up.
Bad. Very bad.
And all my lip on them burst up. All my lip burst up. And he beat me for nothing. And I'm giving him a case. I'm giving him a case. Right? Right now he's taping me without my permission.
And I run into.
Right? And here what?
Alright, now my people, here the thing about it is, you see, running away from trouble or avoiding trouble are one thing. I respect that. But making sure that you know get yourself in trouble and staying away from trouble is another thing. You run from something or a situation where you see that trouble. No, go back. Don't go back. You see the motor vehicle they look at in the video there? Yeah, that I'm thinking too. That's one thing that I'm thinking, you understand? Yeah, but if you find yourself out of a situation this way, don't go back. You understand? It don't make no sense. Once you go back there, so you might put yourself in a trouble. Just stay away from it. Look, the people. I just them there. And I cook and I say, you know, I talk to my people and I show them a couple of videos I see a while ago. You see me? Just basically that one. I want to big up and respect to each and every one who check for Dancehall Skilla and I check up on Dancehall Skilla and realize, you know, seminar post videos at a certain regular basis or for the past a certain amount of days. You see me I say, but sometimes that's how it go. You know what I mean? Yeah, but just to make you know, so I appreciate for everyone to check for me. I have to big up each and every one. I really and truly appreciate everyone to check for me. I'm there same way. I try get things done. Alright? So let me know if you enjoy the settings here. If you enjoy the way I'm deal with things here, so just as I say and big up and respect to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Seriousskilla. Big up.